Today I'm making fried fish with Thai mango salad. It is crispy, sweet sour, with a little crunch of raw mango and tiny kick from the chili. It is so fast and easy to make. This recipe is for 4 servings. First, soak 20 grams of dry shrimp in 150 ml of hot water for about 1 to 2 minutes. Soften them and wash off any dirt or debris stuck to the shrimp. Strain the shrimp and discard the water. And set aside. Next, slice 50 grams or 8 to 10 pieces of peeled shallots thinly. Set them aside. Slice 10 grams or 3 bird eye chilies. For less spicy, use less chili or remove the seed. Alright, set it aside. Then, mince the shrimp roughly into smaller pieces. And set aside. Then, prepare the mangoes. I have 2 almost ripe mangoes, which is about 500 grams. Cut the stem off and peel the skin. It is best to use the green mangoes. However, sometimes it is not available in the market. The almost ripe mango works well too, but the texture should be hard just like these 2 mangoes I am using today. Then, carry the mango and make deep cut with the knife in your dominant hand into the mango. I am going quite fast, but you can take your time and go slow. Carefully turn the mango around to cover it fully with perpendicular cuts all around. Next, angling the blade parallel to the mango, carefully slice off shallow strips. Repeat this step all around the mango. Remember to take your time and make smooth strips. If you have reached the base of the deep cut and there is still some flesh, repeat with making more deep cut and slicing them off. Alright, one done. Repeat with the next mango. Gather all the mango strips and place them in a large mixing bowl. I will place it in the fridge to keep them chilled while cooking the fish. Place a pan on the stove. Add 400 ml of cooking oil over medium heat to heat it up. This will take around 6 to 8 minutes. Here I have about 300 grams of sea garoupa fish fillet cut into small pieces. Marinate with 1 teaspoon of salt, making sure to spread it evenly. You can also use dory or sea bass fillet. Break an egg. Lightly beat the egg and pour just half of it over the fish, as this is a medium-sized egg. Use 1 whole egg if it is a small size. Add about 30 grams of crispy flour and coat the fish generously. It is quite wet. Adding about 10 grams of crispy flour and mix to coat the fish fillet. Now let's check on the oil. Submerge the wooden cooking chopstick into the oil. If bubbles form up, the oil is ready for deep frying. Carefully add the fish fillet to the hot oil, separating any pieces that are stuck together. Fry them for about 8 minutes or until evenly golden brown. Turn and rotate for evenly cooking after 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, the fish fillets are really golden brown now. They look so delicious. Scoop them up and remove them from the oil with a strainer. Rest them on a wire rack for the excess oil to drift off. We are almost done. Take the chilled mango strips out from the fridge. Then add half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Cut bird eye chili. The sliced shallots. Chopped dry shrimp. Half tablespoon of fish sauce and 40 grams of roasted peanut. Put on a plastic glove and mix the mango salad, lightly squeezing as you toss them to mix and combine all the ingredients and the mango. It is so fragrant. My mouth is watering. Alright, it looks quite well mixed. Give it a taste. It's quite delicious. Transfer all the mango salad to the serving plate. And the fish fillet too. Perfect! Our fried fish with Thai mango salad is done. Optionally, sprinkle some roasted peanut and chopped spring onion leaves for color. Let's eat! Delicious! The fish is crispy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside. It goes very well with a sour, salty, spicy and sweet mango salad. It's very appetizing on every bite. It will be so good with rice. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!